Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare this juicy grilled or fried pork known as domedo in my country, Ghana. Domedo is a popular night street food in Ghana and is enjoyed by many people, and it's so delicious and tasty. This recipe is simple and easy, and I believe anyone can pull it off. Let's get started. I will begin with the preparation of the spice mix. So over here I have scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, giant macaroni pepper. Drop them all in the blender. Welcome. If you feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Zach's Kitchen. We make everything, yeah. For your food and snacks. Add aniseed, cloves, not a lot of cloves, just a little bit, thyme, rosemary, add water, just a little bit of water, and blend. I'm going to marinate the pork meat with this spicy mixed paste. Over here I have my cleaned and rinsed pork. Add salt, add all-purpose seasoning, add paprika, mix it all together, making sure you coat every meat. Add the blended spice mixed paste. Mix it all together and make sure you coat every meat. Marinating the pork will enhance the flavors of the pork. Add sliced onions, and this is going to give the pork extra flavor. Cover it and leave it in the fridge for a few hours, but I like to keep mine in the fridge overnight. This helps enhance the flavor and improve the tenderness of the pork. It's morning and I'm going to prepare the pork meat. I'm going to divide the pork meat into 3 portions, and I will be using 3 methods of preparing domedo. A portion will be grilled, the other will be steamed and fried, and the last portion will be fried without steaming. This is the portion to be grilled. Add a bit of the onions just to give it that flavor. It will give it that smoky flavor. And put it in the oven. Halfway through the cooking, check the pork and flip it over. Flip and cook till the pork meat is golden brown on each side. In Ghana, domedo is normally prepared in a traditional clay oven, which adds a smoky flavor to it, and it tastes so delicious. Put it back in the oven. And our pork is ready. Beautiful. Now let's move to the next portion. I'm going to steam and fry this portion. Add a bit of the marinade to the pork meat and add a bit of the sliced onions. The marinade is going to enhance the flavor. Put it on fire and cook this for about 20 minutes. Give it a stir in between. To avoid it sticking on the pan. I'm going to cook the pork meat till it's tender. At this point, my steamed pork is ready and it's just the way I want it. It's time to fry the pork. So make sure the oil is hot and be careful you don't burn yourself. Okay? I'm going to deep fry the pork until it's golden brown. Make sure you stir most of the time to avoid the pork burning. When the fried pork is ready, remove them from the oil and then put them in a fine mesh strainer to drain all the excess oil. I'm going to fry the last portion of the pork meat without steaming it. Oh la la, the domedo is ready. Just look at that. Juicy, succulent, palatable. You can serve this with fried yam, rice, banku, and many more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and to my old subscribers, thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Until the next video, bye for now.